Nice.
3203. Two's ready. Stand by.
Is that going left or what?
I think you just got nervous and you shot too far to the left. 30.
30.
Can you go from this side to that side? I mean, you might be able to angle around it better.
Yeah. Because I'm yanking left. Yanking left.
Two's ready. Stand by.
What the hell?
1194.
1194.
You're killing me, Wes.
Hold on. Stop.
Oh, yeah.
You don't have to be in the box. Just I want you to finish what you're doing now. Bolster, and then we can walk around.
Slow down on the last one.
No, I mean, honestly, I still think honestly, I think the absolute fastest way to do it is start on the left. This guy, you leave, is you can almost just do a quick shot on him as you're getting your feet in place. Then
Let's do it.
I think if we're really breaking down technically speaking, that's the fastest way to do it. Shoes ready, stand by. And then throw a quick shot off on that guy.
Nice.
864.
864. Final string.
Shoes ready, stand by. Got it. 757.
757.
Good time there.
Good shooting.
Side forward, hammer down, and hold. Good job.